welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you Kitchen Essential Part 2. I have done Part 1 last week. If you haven't watched it, go ahead and watch that one. My cooking is going to be today on Ninja Foodie. Ninja Foodie is so good and I love it, so I want to share it with you. I'm going to show you a couple of good recipes today. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Your subscription is so important to me. I actually want to share with you. I have hit 1,000, actually more than 1,000 subscribers this week, and I'm so happy with that. Thanks for your support. Please continue to share, comment, and like my channel. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Without further ado, let's get started and stay with me. So first, let me introduce you to the Ninja Foodie. It cost about $139 here in United States. I bought it from Walmart. Has different settings, as you can see. It has pressure cooker, saute, air crisper, slow cooker, broil. It has all kinds of buttons on here, as you can see, and it's really does everything. Then it also comes with a great recipe book. It has all kinds of recipes in there, even roasting chicken and all that stuff. It also comes with a cheat sheet where you can see a temperature for each of the stuff that you're making. So it's really amazing. So pretty much they give you everything with it. So you can't make any mistake when you're using a Ninja Foodie, and it makes your life so simple. Then it also comes with a grill rack like this, and also a crisper basket. So it comes with both of these things. So this is what we have here. So the first one we're going to make is a roast beef. So I'm going to preheat the Ninja Foodie on broil for 10 minutes. And then I have all my seasonings here. I'm using cumin, paprika, salt and pepper, garlic, and mix everything together. Here I have a 2-pound chuck roast beef. I buy the grass-fed one. It's a little bit expensive, but if we buy meat, it's better to buy that. And we don't have to eat meat all the time, but if we do it, just do it and then stretch the beef for all kinds of recipes like this. So we are going to wrap the beef like that, make sure it's all coated and make sure it's all covered, because we want a good crisp when it comes out of the Ninja Foodie. So we put the grill in there, and then we put the beef on broil. I am going to set it for 30 minutes because I want it medium well. If you want it less than medium well, you can set it less. So it's going to broil for that minute and just forget it, 30 minutes. Then once it's done, it will cool and then show done. I'm gonna leave the beef for another 20 minutes in the Ninja Foodie. Then I will take it out. It's still hot, so make sure you have use something to pull it out, because otherwise it's gonna burn your hands. Then I'm going to leave it rested on a cutting board and move on to another recipe. So here I have some cauliflower, a small cauliflower. I added some salt, pepper, and some paprika, a little bit of olive oil, then mix it well. I have my crisper basket in there. I also preheated this on bake and roast and bake setting for about 5 minutes. Then I again turn on the Ninja Foodie to bake and roast, and here I am changing it to 400 degrees. Then I also changed the timer to 20 minutes and then push start. and let it cook for about 15 minutes. And then you can check it at 15 minutes. Then what I'm going to do is change it to air crisp for about 5-6 minutes at 400, because I want that crisp on my, like this, on my cauliflower. Then we can just remove it from our air crisper. And it looks really good. It really crisp up, so we don't even have to fry anything. Now we can cut or slice our beef. I'm slicing it very thinly, like so. It is going to taste just awesome. We could use this beef for so many recipes. We can top it on a spinach salad, for fajitas, for roast beef sandwich. Top it on a bowl with rice and with our cauliflower. This is a good meal prepping. So let's also do a simple rice with saute and also pressure cooker bottom. I'm going to saute some onion, mushrooms, and kale. Then I'll add the rice and then pressure cook it. It's gonna be delicious and fast, so let's do that too. So here we have our Ninja Foodie, and then we're gonna press our saute setting on high, and then I'm adding a little bit of olive oil in the Ninja Foodie, then add my onion, and then add my mushrooms and cook that well, and about 2 cloves of garlic on here, and then make sure we are cooking it well. We saute it in the saute setting. Then I am going to add some bell pepper and some chopped tomatoes, just veggies what you have in your home. Then add a little bit of kale, maybe a handful of kale, and cook that well. At this point, I am going to add my seasoning, like salt, pepper, of course, a little bit of paprika and cayenne, then just saute. And of course, I added a little bit of cumin too, and just to give it some taste. And after this is cooked down, I added my rice. I'm using long grain brown rice. Make sure it's all cooked together. Then on this, I'm going to add 1/4 cup water. You can also add veggie stock, chicken stock on here to give it more flavor. Then I have the pressure cooker lid, and then I close that. Make sure the setting is on seal on the top, then on high, just pressure cook it for 15 minutes, like you see on here. 15 minutes for long grain rice. So once this is cooked, it's going to show that it is done, just like so. It has only like 25 seconds here. Once this is done, I'm going to leave it for natural release. Then after that, I'm going to do a quick release, just like this. You see this red button? Once it's finished releasing, it's gonna go down like that. So that's when it's safe to open the pressure cooker. Then you can open it and you see what our rice looks like. It's just cooked so well and so delicious. Okay, let's put whatever we made together. I'm gonna make a bowl. I'm gonna do the rice and also the cauliflower, the one we roasted in the Ninja Foodie, and then also the beef that we made. Put it together, all together, and enjoy it for dinner or lunch. Let's do this. So here on a bowl, we're adding our rice. This is really good for lunch or dinner or meal prepping to take it to work. Then add our roasted cauliflower. Then add our sliced beef like you see here. So good, looking good over here. Then I am adding my famous salsa. I have a recipe on my channel, and I think I have it on my website too. I'm going to put it on the description for you. I add some cilantro on here and just enjoy this for lunch or dinner. So good. And you can also use it on a flatbread, sliced beef. I have added some of my hummus, which I have a recipe on my YouTube channel also, and then enjoy it for lunch or dinner like that. My kids really love this too. So I'll show you one more recipe on the Ninja Foodie. We're going to make wings. Wings, usually we fry them in oil. You know, if you go to a wing stop or somewhere you buy a wing, it's always fried and it's delicious, but not good for you, right? But on Ninja Foodie, because of the air fryer, and you only need a little bit of oil, and then you put it in the Ninja Foodie, and then you get your crisp wings. Good for Friday night, or if you have people over. Just so good. So we're gonna make that. So let's get started on that one. Here we have our Ninja Foodie on, and then we set it for air crisp setting. Then I have the time at 27 minutes. Then we're gonna start it, and I'm gonna let it preheat. Then we're going to put our wings in a bowl. I buy organic wings. Again, those are good for us instead of the other one. Might cost a little bit more, but it's better to do that because we're not going to do this all the time. But whenever we do it, it's better to buy that. Then I'm adding my seasoning. I have onion powder, garlic powder, some pepper flakes, paprika, cayenne, and some chili powder and parsley. I also added maybe 3 tablespoons of avocado oil. Then I am adding my chicken or wings in the air crisper basket. And this is going to be air crisped for about 20 to 25 minutes. And then until it's crisp up. And we're going to open it up and add our sauce. So this wing is so delicious. It's just as good as the ones that you buy from a store, but very healthy and healthier version. So our wings look like this. We're gonna take it out from our air crisper or our Ninja Foodie, and then we're gonna add our sauce. The sauce I am making, I have shown you on another video before. I have some Frank sauce that is the best wing sauce that I love, and I add maybe a couple tablespoons of grass-fed butter, then melt it together, then add it to our wings. Then I'm going to add it back to the air crisper. This is optional, but it makes it really good. And maybe crisp it up for another 5 minutes. Then here we go. It looks so delicious, and I'm serving it with some carrots and celery. You can also use a side of ranch or any sauce that you like, and enjoy it. I hope you have enjoyed everything I have done today with my Ninja Foodie, and thinking of getting it, or you might have it at home and use it in different ways. The good thing is it comes with a lot of recipes, so it's easy to use, good for your meal prep, fast, and also healthy food. So if you enjoy this, let me know, comment, like, and subscribe. Also follow me at Maisie's Meals on Instagram and Facebook, and tag your pictures there. So I would love just to see your creation. So hopefully we will see you again, and have a great week. God bless you. Bye-bye.